you have this letter. What is this letter?
A.
That's right, A. This A is?
Big A.
You don't say big, you say capital.
Capital.
Remember, you're not to forget these things. This A is capital A.
Capital A.
And this is
Small A.
small a. If you say big A, even this A can be a big A, isn't it? Even this is a big A. So, when you write an A like this, you have to call this a capital A.
Capital A.
And this is
Small A.
small a. Now listen. Now we have A in a spelling. Same A. I'm going to write words with it. How do you say this word?
Cat.
How do you say this word?
Cat.
Very good. You're right. Now I'm going to write here.
Mat.
How do you say this? Mat. Isn't it? This is look at this. Don't look at my face. Mat. Isn't it? Okay.
Bat. Bat.
Bat. What is a cat? What is a cat?
Cat is an animal.
Yes. Are there any cats just now here? Can you see a cat here? Where? So there is the cat. That's right. That's the cat. Okay. This is
This mat.
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 Not bat. No. Mat.
Mat.
Where is the mat?
This is mat.
That's right. This is the mat. Right. Then where are you sitting?
I am sitting on the mat.
Very nice. Completed. Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on the mat.
On the. You forgot the.
Mat.
Come on. Again say. Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on the mat.
That's right. Okay. Here A. It is always called. It's not mate. It's called a. In these, this A is pronounced a. This one. Now look. How do you say this word?
Saw.
Saw. Now this A is, you don't say sav. You don't say that. How do you say this word?
Saw.
So, same A, but you don't call it a, sa, like you did here, cat, sat. Here it is saw.
Saw.
How do you pronounce this?
Pa.
Very true.
Pa.
Not pat. Not pat. Not like pat here. No. You call it paw. Look here.
Pa.
Paw. What is the meaning of paw?
I don't know what the meaning of
You
paw.
don't know? Do you know the meaning of paw? You don't know? Animals have paws. You don't call them hands. The cat has paws, soft paws. The cat has soft paw. Like you have legs and you have hands. The animals have paw. Same is, here it is saw. What is the meaning of this? Saw.
Saw.
Saw means what?
We saw.
We saw.
Past.
Past tense of see. I see. Past tense of see is saw. Correct. Today, now I see. Yesterday, some say, I saw flood. Yes, you say that now. Do you know that? The meaning of saw? What? Past tense. Of see. Yes, you say, I saw movie. I saw a lot of water. Then you come and tell me. Okay? Alright. And you can also have, so here it is awe. Same word a, here it is a, here it is awe. One more word.
Raw.
Oh, wait a minute. There
Raw.
are so many words. There it is, look, it is awe. No, let's write them all down. What is this word?
Walk.
Walk, again a, but you don't say whack. You say walk. How do you, what is the meaning of walk? Walk. Tisha, walk. Walk. Yeah, that's called walk.
Talk.
It's not
We
that.
talk.
We talk, that is right. Talk,
Talk.
isn't it? It's not that. But here it is. Here it is. Here, what is it?
Yes.
Isn't it? And here it is aw. What is this?
Rat.
Rat, not ra only. Rat.